You want to avoid this correction for the Nasdaq. I have mentioned in one of my previous video that August maybe is one of our peak, and today I will give you a more precise date about when we should forecast the peak would be, right? Okay, so if you want to make more money from the trading market, if you want to avoid this small correction, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and put on the alarm down there, and so you can follow my channel more update and join my free email list. I will keep you updated there also. So now we look at the Nasdaq monthly chart here. So you can see like this is like August candle and September candle. Basically, we compare these two candles each year. Okay, this is 2022. You can see this is August candle, and then followed by one September red candle, which is going down. And August is the peak. And you can see here another one. August is a green, September is a red. And August is the green, September is the red. August, this one is different. This one is August is the red, the September is the green, but the highest point is still the August, okay? And here, 2018, August is the green, the red is the September, so the red is going down. And here, so this is a bit a special case because it's a strong bull market. So here is August is the green and combined with a September green candle as well. So both months is going up. And this one, 2015. So the August is the peak, and then the September is going down. You can see these two candles, okay? So 214 basically is August is the green, coming by is a red September. But what I want to show you, okay, so also here, like August is the green, and this one is also like the September is the green also. Okay, here is even more obvious. August is the green, September has a big drop by 12%. Okay, so I want to show you when is the peak. It's not necessarily it's August. Okay, well, I'm not saying long-term thing. I'm saying like for swing trade or for middle-term investor, or if you want to maximize your profit. So this is quite critical if you can avoid this drop for one whole month, right? So let's see here. So what I want to see, when this is a bear market, the September would be red for sure, but the peak would be August. Okay, when it is a bull market, it's opposite. The red is still the September is still red, but the peak will be in September, you see? So probably this month is going up and then go down. Like end of the month, they close lower, okay? So when it is bull market, the peak is around September. The peak September is more higher than the August, okay? This one, August, September, this is a bull market. So you can see here. You don't need to see here. You say, this one happened. But you can see the previous candle is going up. So it's quite strong market. So the go up will go further up to September, right? Does it make sense to you? And then they drop in September. So the highest point of September, it will be higher than August. Does it make sense to you? So now look at here as well. August, September. So this one is not so strong basically. So August is the higher than the September. You can avoid this if you follow this strategy, right? So this one is August. Which one is higher? Almost the same, 33 point different. But what I want to say, August is high. This is September is low, and it come by a big fall here, right? So here, August, this is, you can see the previous few candle. This is a month candle. So the previous few candle is going up. So it's a strong bull market. So we will expect the peak is in September, okay? But September when will be maybe the first 2 weeks, right? Or so this is a strategy. It's quite easy to tell actually. So here, the August is this one is not easy to tell from this chart, but okay, so August basically is a red candle. So you can see the August would be the peak. It would be higher than the September. So the September go lower. And here, August, September, before was a bull market. So it's most likely they push back the peak to September, and then they have a the beginning is high, and then at the end it comes down lower. Okay, because they have it's quite a very good easy predict pattern, like every August, September, almost the same. So let's see here, August, September, and September is higher, and then they come lower. Okay, so here you can see a few months ago, this one is so obvious. This one we have a bear market here. So what do you expect here is August will have a higher high than September, and then September, a big drop. Okay, this one dropped by 12%. So basically, right now, tell me right now, you can see this few candle is the green candle. You mean we are in the strong bull market. Okay, and I have mentioned if you can use the golden ratio, basically you can also see what is the ratio we are now. Are we strong or are we weak? So let's do again here. We are weak or we are strong here? So we are already above 61.8%. Okay, so we are strong market. Yes, August we will have a small correction, I would say, and we will suggest so usually it's August or September is easily to have a peak, like you need to rest before you go further up. Okay, so it would be have most likely, again, I'm not your financial advisor, it's just for my education sharing here, and I just want you to make more money. Okay, so most likely in August and September, we will have a peak here and then come down. Actually, if you look at this graph, what is interesting is if you follow this speed, basically, if you follow this speed, when we go up, maybe we just hit this level and you form a resistance and come down, okay? But this is not the point about this video. I want to show you, basically, we just need okay, this is July now, and then August and September. Basically, September is possible we have one candle, two candle, according to this peak. So September maybe form a peak. So don't tell me, oh, why am you make a wrong prediction because August, you say in the last video, August would be the peak. I don't say that. I say it's most likely just to avoid the risk. So maybe you buy less stock or it's okay. And anyway, I'm not your financial advisor. Just a small tips for you to be cautious about, because usually people look at the price, right? Price is quite common, quite easy to look at, but people don't really look at the time. So I just want to give you a small reminder here that August or September, I would say middle August to September, we will form a peak. Most likely is September this year. Okay, let's say 70%. And then we will have, we will adjust down a bit. Okay, so September. Okay, so this is my sharing today. I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And give me some comment about what kind of content I should share with you more. I would love to know, what do you think? You think I should follow this trend, like focus on more stock or focus on more your favorite Bitcoin or other market? Okay, so but don't tell me some small stock or don't tell me some small coins, because I don't want to cover some small coin even they have a big potential growth, because it sounds a bit tricky. So I want to cover what the majority concern. Okay, so I see you in the next video. Have a good day. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Bye bye.